Ay, ay, yeah. A brush and a hairspray, extreme style gel, combs and edge brush, and a shinji. Now you guys are seeing me part my hair through the middle all the way to the back. As you can see, parting it very, very straight how I want it to be. I need the parts to be real perfect. I'm showing you guys how I straighten my middle part. It's not all the way straight how I wanted it to be, but it doesn't have to be really, really perfect to do the ponytails. That's how I did it. As y'all can see, my hair is real, real thick, so I had to part it however how I can. Now I'm grabbing a shinji to hold my hair. I'm not really like putting the gel on my hair yet, so I'm just trying to put the shinji on my hair so I can show y'all what I'm doing before I even put the gel on my hair. Now you guys see me spraying my hair to make it softer. And that's what I'm doing right now, as y'all see me doing. So right now I'm brushing my hair. Mind you, there's no gel in my hair yet. So I'm just brushing it to like get into like a nice ponytail, how I need it to be, before I put the gel in my hair. Mind you, it's already gelled on my hair. I'm just trying to figure out how to place this ponytail how I want it to be. I'm making sure everything's nice and slicked before I put another shinji on my hair. As you can see, it's real nice and slicked. Mind you, I'm still putting gel on my hair. I repeat. I'm using the extreme gel for my hair. I'm placing it around my ponytails. As you can see, I'm adding the gel around my whole head before I brush it up into a bun. Now, I'm still putting gel on my hair, as y'all can see. Now, I'm using my brush to slick it all the way back to make sure everything is nice and slicked. I'm making sure everything is nice and slick before I put it up to a tighter ponytail, if that makes sense. I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments. But I'm slicking it. Now I'm taking out the rubber band I have on my head now, and I'm placing it again to make it more tighter and tighter however you want it. I did it like 3 times, 4 times. I wrapped it around my hair, and that's what I did. I don't know how many times you can do it. You can do anything. You can do it however many times you want. So I pulled my hair for like more tightness so it won't look crazy. But it looks so cute, as you can see. Now I'm going to do it on the other side of my hair, like I did with the other one. Spraying the hair with the water, and keep spraying the back of it. I'm spraying it all around my hair until everything get like soaked and stuff like that. Now I'm using my brush to slick it up into a ponytail like the other side. I'm still slicking it down, as you can see. So now I'm slicking the other side, and I'm still like trying to slick it all the way up as I can. Making sure everything is nice and tight. So I'm about to use another scrunchie for my hair to slick it. Now I'm using the extreme gel on the other side of my hair to slick it. I'm using it all around my whole head, as you can see. Nice and slicked. I'm applying it to my hair. I'm applying more to the back of it so I can make sure everything is nice and slicked before I tighten it up. So I'm taking out the scrunchie, slicking down my hair, making sure everything is nice and clean and straight. So now I'm done putting the scrunchie on my hair, making it real nice and tight before I put the bun on my head. Before I make a bun on my head. So now I'm using a small scrunchie to wrap around my hair to make a bun. So I'm using it to make sure how big, how small I want it to be. But I already wrapped it up. That's just how I do it. I just wrap it up into a ball just like that. Keep it how simple as possible. Do the same thing on the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect because you could fix it later. So that's how I do it. I don't know if you other girls can do that, but I be doing that a lot with my buns. So now I'm putting another scrunchie on my hair to make sure the bun looks real nice and perfect. Wrapped it up like once or twice. Maybe 3 times. Now the product is done, y'all. I gotta fix it a little bit, as you can see. Gonna fix it up. Try to make sure everything is good. I'm gonna do like once or twice. 1, 2, 3. So now it looks so perfect. Look how cute it is. Period. Cute as hell. Stop playing. Anyways, now I'm about to do my edges. I'm looking real bald in the front, but I'm okay though. So I'm gonna use my True Edge Control. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. First, I'm gonna take out my edges first before I show y'all what I'm using. I'm taking it out. I only take out a little bit. I don't take out a lot. And I'm taking my sideburns out. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm using the True Edge Control for my edges. It makes it real nice and slicked. So I apply it on my edges first before I put it on, before I use my edge brush. So I'm going to apply it to my edges first, as y'all can see. Now I'm going to use my edge brush to swoop it. As y'all can see, swoop, swoopity doop. I'm swooping it. I'm using my hands to swoop it and the brush at the same time. That's how you swoop your hair. You see how it looks so cutesy? I'm swooping my sideburns. I do it really fast because I'm so used to doing it so much. So I just do it really quickly. Doing the same thing on the other side. And I'm almost done with my hair, y'all. Now I'm going to swoop it again. A big nice swoop. Use your hands and the edge brush at the same time while you're swooping it to keep it together. And now your girl is done, period. Looking like a cute baddie now. It's cute as y'all see the finished touch. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment down below, period. Bye.